Hey guys, wanted to discuss the SDR mount that we're going to be coming out with later this year. This is for the RTL-SDRv3. The mounting holes are set up to catch the holes on the side, the mounting holes on the side. They are designed and laid out so that you can miss the bungee depending on how you set your bungees up. So you have the wider spread layout, and you can flip it over and hit the, a different layout on the bottom like I have set up here. You can also use these notched holes so that you could slide it over if you want it inboard or outboard in location to everything that's moving and going on here. But all this is mountable. Every which way, horizontal, vertically. You've got the USB port here, and as you can see here, I have a QD mount for an antenna. We'll use our buddy here, ZVM2, to mount there. Obviously you wouldn't use an antenna in this fashion, but if you had it set up this way, you could definitely do so. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Link to the website is in the Instagram account, and you can find the email address there right to me. Thanks.